Good evening, everyone. Tonight I'm gonna make vegetables and red rice. So for my ingredients, I have spinach, baby carrots, tomato. I just need one tomato, zucchini. We have here ginger, garlic. I have mushrooms here, and the red rice, of course. Red rice here, red rice. And I'm gonna cook it in coconut milk. And after everything is all done, I'll add some tuna, maybe on the side. So this is a very simple meal for today. It's a lazy day. So watch and enjoy. So first I'm gonna chop up my carrots and wash my vegetables and cut them up, prepare them ready for, I'm gonna do like shallow frying, yeah, something like that. Very simple meal. So enjoy watching me do this. It's my dinner today. And guys, on the side I have a cup of cacao powder, and I've just mixed it with this is called a caffeine-free coffee. This is good for winter if you want to have a very nice cup of cocoa. I would say cocoa, and just mix it with this organic ghee, just one teaspoonful. I add it in hot water plus this coffee. It's one of the best things to keep the cold away. I'm doing this while I'm preparing my dinner, so enjoy watching. So just simply put the rice on the cooktop to just boil, simply boil, and when it's almost cooked, I'll just add the coconut milk, and that's it. I don't need to add anything else, any oils or any salt. I just love my food without salt because already it has salt inside anyway. So the rice is almost cooked, so I'm gonna just add in the coconut milk, but first I have to taste and see whether it's cooked. Have to taste this first. Yeah, it's cooked now. It's time to add my coconut milk. Let's add and see how it looks like. So there you have it. My red rice with coconut milk. I love my meals cooked in coconut. I don't know who else is like this, who loves coconut in most meals. So yeah, I'm just gonna reduce the heat. Oh. Yeah. Yes, and I'll just let it cook slowly while I cut up my vegetables, and then yeah, and you continue enjoying watching these raw videos of my cooking, my dinner cook. Yeah. Yeah, the rice is ready now. Here the mushrooms all washed clean. Spinach, I'm gonna roughly chop it. Basically, I'm gonna just stir fry everything all together.
I love that smell, garlic.
Thank you.
You? I love it.
You love the smell of the garlic.
Yeah, I love
You,
it. I always love garlic.
you know I'm recording, eh? So you're on video.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
And you just swore on.
Yeah, because I dropped red into the bucket out there.
So that one was captured in here. So chopped tomatoes. I started by frying my Swiss mushrooms and carrots, and then I'll add this. I'm gonna add these vegetables just on top. Yeah, because I don't need to fry it so much because I don't like it to be soggy. Yep. So I just want these mushrooms to cook well. So it's kind of like stir frying business. So I'll add the tomatoes because it has water. Yeah, it has like, I don't need to add any water. So I'm trying to chop it to bits. Ah, I should have done better. But anyway, this is the best for now, for my dinner, my quick dinner, because I'm getting hungry. Yes, Swiss mushrooms, baby carrots. Yeah, basically it's just a stir fry dinner and rice.
What's that?
Simple. Red rice in coconut.
Whatever.
Yeah. crunchy. So I'm gonna add in these veggies, add on top. I don't have a camera at the moment. I'm filming using my laptop, so and the lighting is a bit not so good. But at least you can see what I'm doing. That's the most important thing. Forget about the rest. So it's kind of uh, just stir fry my veggies. Yeah. I guess I leave it at that, and then I start chopping the spinach, and I'll cook it in a different pan. Let's do this. So I added the remainder of the coconut milk. Guys, I was just tempted to do this. Yes, I at first I wanted it dry like that, but I say let me just add the coconut milk, and why not? Voila. So yeah, this is what I have now. I just let it simmer for like 15 minutes, and then uh oh, the next thing is my spinach. This one I'll just have to steam it. I don't need to do anything. Uh, it's just something on the sides. So follow me and keep watching and enjoy. So all the food is almost ready. Now I'm just steaming the spinach. I used the ghee, just a little bit of ghee, and yeah, nothing else, just to steam and to stir fry it. And I just want to maintain the green pigment because I love it's crunchy, so I won't overcook it. I just start frying it all the way around. Make sure that all the parts have just been well cooked, but not overcooked. So I'm filming this at the same time. I'm stir frying, so the quality of the video will not be nice, but at least you have an idea of what I had for dinner. And if you want to copy me, especially if you are a vegan or vegetarian, yeah, vegan come vegetarian, yeah, this is very good dinner, and it's very nutritious, so you can try it. So no salt in these veggies, no salt at all, because I believe the veggies, not even believe it, the veggies itself has a lot of salt, so you don't need any iodized salt. You can just sprinkle some sea salt or Himalaya sea salt. Himalaya salt, yeah, the pink salt is one of the best, but I recommend that you don't use it at all. Yeah, just stir fry it. Make sure that's just enough, not overcooked, just to be a bit crunchy. Yes, this is what we want for our food. So this is it. So it's time to plate my food and eat it. You're welcome. Just bring your plates over and let's eat together. Finally, that's my dinner, all plated. So you're welcome. So this is the best dinner for today. Just watch out for the next video. I'm gonna make better and the best. So thank you so much. Enjoy and let's eat together.